Release 27 for Automation 360 is improving the developer experience by making it faster and easier to design and embed your forms in any web application. Forms are no longer rigid and structured, giving developers complete freedom in how they lay out their elements and design for an optimal end-user experience. Embedded forms also have become much more dynamic through the new data mapping capabilities, allowing host data to be automatically sent into your automations without any additional user intervention. In this demo, we'll look at how the new features benefit Bria, an end user within Salesforce, as she interacts with the Automation Copilot. We'll also take a look at how they impact Marcus, the developer, and how he's able to design content much faster and more tightly integrated into his business applications using the new JavaScript post-message APIs. Marcus has been tasked with deploying a new change of address automation into Salesforce for the sales user to be able to initiate the automation directly from an account record. He is logged into the Automation 360 control room where he has already started building the form. He is able to edit the form canvas directly. For instance, he can edit the form title. He can adjust the width of the elements. He can change labels on the center canvas and set default values on the canvas. He can also adjust the height and width of the form and see how the columns and rows adjust. He loves the form's responsiveness and the what you see is what you get nature of the form. He can continue building out the form, adjusting labels, and other element characteristics as he sees fit. After he has completed the form, he can save it and use it within his automation. Now that Marcus has completed the development of the change address process automation, he would like to make it available for business users to use through Salesforce. The new data mapping capability for smart forms ensures that data can be automatically mapped into the automation without any additional user interactions, eliminating rekeying of data and ensuring data consistency and accuracy. He starts by opening an existing component containing the RE iframe code in which he'll apply his updates. Marcus starts by adding a new section to the input data section, where he enters the RE process ID, which maps to the ID of the process within Automation 360. Next, he enters the form's element IDs, which will be mapped to incoming data, and here he's able to use JavaScript or jQuery to retrieve information from the host page, which will be sent into the automation. As the form contains elements of various types, we can see how Marcus is able to use the correct notation to ensure data is available to any element, whether it's a text box, radio button, or a drop-down. It's as easy as that. Saving the changes to the script makes it available to test and deploy once ready. Bria, the business user, receives a request to update an address from a customer who recently relocated their primary office. This update usually takes her several minutes, as she has to log into and update the customer information across 6 different internal applications, including the ERP, homegrown applications, and legacy applications as well. With the updated automation in her Copilot, Bria is able to make the update once on the account record and then use her Copilot to automatically pick up those updates and push them out to those back-end applications in seconds. As you have just seen, Release 27 of Automation 360 provides an improved design experience that delivers what you see is what you get features to form development. Furthermore, the JavaScript post-message API allows developers to tightly integrate Automation Copilot into their applications, allowing available data on the host to be sent to the Copilot automatically at runtime.